Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best earwax camera is probably one of the most innovative and helpful tools for maintaining ear hygiene, allowing you to visualize and safely remove earwax buildup at home, potentially saving you costly trips to the doctor and providing a more convenient and comfortable solution for ear cleaning. This detailed review will explore its features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in managing earwax, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your ear care needs. Number 5. Earwax Removal Kit. See clearly into your ear canal with its 1080p HD camera and 6 LED lights. It's designed to be gentle and comfortable, maintaining a temperature close to your body's. This kit includes ear scoops with 3 different curvatures to suit your ear canal. Remember to securely attach the silicone tip before each use to prevent scratching. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery and an IP67 waterproof rating, it's both convenient and easy to clean. Simply wipe it down with alcohol or wash the parts with water. Download the app via QR code, connect it to your phone's Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. Save your images and videos directly to the app or your phone's album. Everything you need is included: the ear camera, multiple silicone tips, a storage bottle, ear scoops, a charging cable, and instructions. Ready to use right out of the box. What we like. It comes with multiple ear tips to suit different needs and a high-definition camera for a clear view. If you value a variety of tools and ease of use, this is a great option. Its user-friendly design makes ear cleaning simple and efficient for daily use. What people say. The camera provides a clear, real-time view, making it easy to safely and effectively remove ear wax at home. The tool is gentle, easy to use, and doesn't go too deep, which I appreciate. It actually pulls the wax out instead of pushing it in, unlike Q-tips. The device itself is easy to set up with the Wi-Fi connection and app, and the attachments are pretty easy to use. The accessories are pretty nice as well and do a slightly better job than the silicone gripping out the wax, but the camera allows me to see the position of where a buildup might be. Number 4. BEBIRD R1 Ear Cleaning Tool. Say hello to the BEBIRD R1, your new ear care solution. It's designed for safe and effective ear cleaning, giving you a clear view of your ear canal. See every detail with its 1080p HD camera and wide-angle lens. 6 LED lights ensure a bright and clear view, no matter the lighting. Connect it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and use the BEBIRD app for real-time viewing. Capture images and videos of your ear canal for easy monitoring. It comes with multiple replacement tips, allowing you to safely clean different areas of your ear. It's suitable for various earwax types. It's not just for ears. Use it to examine your nose, teeth, and throat with the included observation kits. It's a multi-purpose tool for your health. This innovative tool is protected by patents D972-900S and D974-856S, ensuring you get a high-quality, reliable product. What we like. This device boasts a wide-angle lens and high-resolution camera for superior visualization. If you prioritize a comprehensive view of your ear canal and appreciate versatile cleaning options, this is the perfect choice. The multiple tips allow for thorough cleaning, addressing various earwax types and conditions. What people say. Great tool, couldn't hear in my right ear due to wax completely covering eardrum from using tips. Was able to properly clean and with great video quality. Easy to use and download app. The device gives a very clear view of the inside of your ear, and the little scoop is smooth and does not hurt the inside of your ear. The camera quality is impressively good. It's lightweight to hold. The camera is helpful for seeing exactly what you're doing, and the LED lights make visibility inside the ear much better than expected. It definitely works and makes cleaning safer and more precise. Number 3. Loyker X6 Ear Camera. This innovative device is designed for safe and effective earwax removal. It's easy to use and provides a clear view of your ear canal. It features 3 different sized ear picks to comfortably fit various ear canals. The soft silicone tips ensure a gentle and safe cleaning experience. With its 1080p HD camera and 360 degrees wide-angle lens, you'll get a crystal clear view of your ear. 6 LED lights provide optimal illumination. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures smooth, stable images, even during movement. This allows for precise cleaning without damaging your ear canal. The waterproof lens is easy to clean. Simply rinse it with water or wipe it with alcohol. The airtight design prevents blurry images. It features a convenient Type-C fast charging port and a long-lasting 350 mAh battery. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of use on a single charge. What we like. It offers a 360 degrees view and high-speed operation for precise cleaning. If you want a precise and efficient cleaning experience with a wide viewing angle, this is ideal. The smooth operation ensures a comfortable and effective cleaning process. What people say. The camera allows you to see inside your ear canal, so that you can avoid damaging your eardrum. The ear picks are also very gentle, and they will not scratch your ear canal. The camera quality is fantastic, providing clear 1080p resolution, allowing me to see every detail inside my ears. The bright light makes it easy to see even the tiniest details, and the device easily syncs with my phone. It's incredibly user-friendly and works like a charm. Number 2. BEBIRD R1 Ear Cleaner. Say goodbye to earwax worries with the BEBIRD R1. It's a revolutionary device that combines a high-definition camera and LED lighting for a clear view of your ear canal. See clearly what you're doing. Its 1080p HD camera and 6 bright LEDs illuminate your ear canal, ensuring a safe and thorough cleaning. It comes with various tips to suit your needs. Choose the right tool to easily remove wax buildup, big or small. Connect it wirelessly to your smartphone or tablet via the BEBIRD app. View, record, and share images and videos for easy monitoring. Enjoy up to 30 days of standby time on a single charge. It's convenient and ready when you need it. The replaceable tips ensure hygienic cleaning every time. It's designed for safe and effective earwax removal. What we like. This model features a bright LED light and a high-definition camera for clear visibility. If you need a reliable and durable device with excellent illumination and various cleaning tips, this is a top contender. The multiple tips cater to diverse cleaning requirements. What people say. The picture-video quality was clear as day. Crystal clear images, a lot of neat little features. The live video is very clear and makes cleaning the ear easier. It comes with different tips. Number 1. Soulear Ear Cleaner. This innovative device combines a high-definition camera with a gentle water rinse to provide a safe and effective ear cleaning experience. See exactly what you're doing for a more thorough clean. With its built-in 1080p HD camera, it transmits a real-time video feed to your smartphone. This allows for precise and safe cleaning, ensuring you don't miss any wax. It offers 4 different water pressure settings, ranging from soft to strong, to suit your comfort level and needs. Find the perfect setting for a comfortable and thorough clean. Clean your ears hands-free using the Soulear app for real-time viewing, or choose direct cleaning for a quick and efficient clean. The choice is yours. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 5 hours of continuous use, and the large water tank means you can complete your cleaning without interruption. No more frequent refills. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices. The kit includes everything you need: the ear cleaner, multiple ear tips, a basin, a charging cable, and a user manual. What we like. It uses water for cleaning and offers multiple pressure settings for a gentle yet effective clean. If you prefer a water-based cleaning method and value adjustable pressure settings, this is perfect. Multiple cleaning modes cater to different preferences and sensitivities. What people say. Everything that you need is included in the box, including charging cable, water tanks, and earpieces. The app was easy to find and download, and the Wi-Fi camera worked like a charm. Clear image. The results were great. It loosened and flushed out a lot more wax than I thought it would. It felt good in the ear and was not messy to use at all. It's hygienic to use with multiple people since it has different replacement tips. The water flowed well, and the water catcher was pretty well designed. Cleanup was simple and quick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.